like to ask you, what was your first impression when you saw Madhuri Dixit for the first time?
It's a long time away. I met Madhuri long time back in some studio, Seat studio, Chandivali studio first. When I saw her, I found her very simple, next door girl. Uh, and I was watching her shooting. She was doing some serial something. So I found her very talented also, and I was very impressed. This newcomer will definitely come up.
So by this you mean she started off as a TV serial actor?
No, yeah, she was doing some TV serial. I don't remember now. She started. I think she was doing some TV serial which was not made. One episode not through with the channel, so that was stopped there. One day, 2 days she shot. That's all. Then in the meantime, she got the first break from Above the Rashiri production.
And how did she get this break? Was she looking out for roles? Because I've also heard that initially she was not very mad about Bollywood.
No, she was not mad about Bollywood. She was very serious about studies. Uh, she was staying in Andheri East, in JB Nagar, and she has some neighbor, Dr. Govind Manish ji. He knew her and he was observing her, and it was he who recommended her name to Mr. Raj Barjatia ji or Tarachan ji. So that's how he got her to the office, and she was finalized after taking skin test for film called Abodh.
Okay. It's something I'd like to ask you, okay, when Madhuri came in the industry, the first few films flopped. At that point of time, what was the general buzz in the industry about her?
When I started working with her, Abodh was already released and gone, and after that she was working with some good makers of that time, like Sri L.V. Prasad, Sri Sona Kamarji, and few more. And this film didn't do well. So in the meantime, Subhash Ghai happened to meet her, and he took her in some film for a dance sequence, and he was highly impressed with her, and he wanted to sign her for a full-fledged feature film, and he did that. In the meantime, I was in Rashiri production for some other work, and Mr. N. Chandra was looking for a girl. So I suggested him to see Abodh Rashid since he was in the office. So he did that and he saw the Rashid. And he was very impressed with her again, like Subhash ji. So he took her in Tezab. And Subhash ji की film start हो गई और तेजाब शुरू हो गई. And fortunately, Tezab came first, which was a big hit. Box office and music, everything. And she was overnight star.
You were talking about how she met at Subhashji and how.
And Tezab was released and it was a big success in overseas, and her song 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 was a big hit, and she became overnight craze of the nation.
And by this you mean were you associated with her even before Tezab?
Yeah.
And since when? Since which film?
I was with her after Abodh was released, and then 6 films came again, which was not a big hit. Swati, Avara Baap, Mohre, few films, Madhuri, Manav Hatya, few films were there.
So according to you, you studied her career through and out. And according to you, which of her films brought her to instant notice?
Tezab.
And after Tezab, how was the scenario? For you, for your work and for her?
For Tezab, she has already signed with Subhaji, na? Which I told you that film started Uttar Dakshin first, then Ram Lakhan. Then after Tezab, second Ram Lakhan, obviously it was a big hit again with a big star cast and big director of Subhaji and Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor. So obviously she was getting hit over hit, hit over hit. There was no stopping for her.
You know what? At times it depends. That say if a director as huge and as big as Subhash Ghai directs somebody, then there'll be other offers coming from other producers and directors as well. So what about that?
See, when Subhashji Ram Lakhan was released, at that time she was getting offers, but not from very big makers, because in the meantime Tezab and Ram Lakhan came. That space she signed already few films with the South Pictures, Bombay producers like Inder Kumar, Boni Kapoor. She signed few films, and some with Mr. Director Bapuji, who the guy who took her first actually.
And there was a kissing scene in Dayavan, which was very controversial. Did that affect her career in a way?
No, that one scene, it was very affected for the film, but I don't know, it was controversial, how it was controversial, but it was very important for that film sequence. It's a husband and wife. So, it was very, you've seen the film?
I haven't.
You must see the film, it was very, very important and very appropriate for the film, that scene.
Did it create any kind of problems for Madhuri, the controversy? It was without any...
No, it was not created any problem for her. She was doing her character, that's all.
And after Tezab, post Tezab, did she make a conscious effort to change her image? Or was it just like, it just happened?
See, nobody makes any image, or it just happens with the film, what you're playing, with the character, what you're playing. And once you are in the image of certain, I don't know, according to your role, then people start writing role for you, same kind of roles. So, and she was doing the same kind of roles, like good music, emotional comedy. She done a lot of films like Beta, Raja, Indra Kumar ki 3 picture kiya, then मुजरिम किया पिक्चर अमीश मेहरा का, देन बापू, डायरेक्टर बापू थे उस टाइम के, बहुत वेरी बिग डायरेक्टर ऑफ दैट टाइम. शी डिड फिल्म कॉल्ड प्रेम प्रतिज्ञा, वेरी इमोशनल रोल. शी हैज डन ऑल काइंड ऑफ रोल्स एक्चुअली.
And what according to you has been the best phase of her life and why?
I have seen her always in a very, very good phase of life, because she was always happy in any kind of phase. She was always very happy and not greedy of anything ever. And film success, she was from Tezab onwards till her marriage. She was always a top star. So even after marriage, she gave Devdas a hit film, and she did this film Yash Chopra ji picture, Aaja Nachle, and she was always in the best phase of her life.
And
She never looked back actually.
you've known her for quite some time now. So, as it, in terms of personal growth, she grew a lot in front of you as a person. How do you think she handled stardom once she got it?
She, first of all, she never knew that she's a star. तो स्टारडम हैंडल करने की बात ही नहीं. शी वाज ऑलवेज वेरी नेचुरल, वेरी सिंपल. उसको शी हैड नेवर एनी आइडिया ऑफ हाउ टू मिसबिहेव. शी नेवर न्यू दिस कि हाउ लोग मिसबिहेव क्यों करते हैं, किस व्हाट यू गेट आउट ऑफ इट. शी हैड नो आइडिया अबाउट दैट, बिकॉज शी वाज वेरी वेरी सिंपल, thoughtful person, very simple person. Or when she was big star also, people used to come and tell her that, you know how big star you are. So she used to laugh away. She never realized any time she was a big star, but she used to control herself. She is a very powerful girl, because she's very intelligent, very powerful girl. So I think any person who is very powerful will never misbehave.
And what do you think? I mean, how hard was it for you to handle her work? Because suddenly she got loads of offers.
For me to handle her, it was not very hard. It was hard for me to handle people around her, people who come to meet her, the society, the people. You mean what I mean. People around her means a lot of people come to meet you. Some people are right, some people are not right. So I had to avoid certain people. I have to get some certain people. That was very difficult. Handling her was not difficult, because she was very, very obedient, sensible, honest girl always.
And when it comes to
When she was away with me to the functions and all, the audience, the public who loves her, so that time it was very difficult to handle her. She was always mobbed.
some of her films that she did with you weren't that successful as you or perhaps she would have expected.
I made 2 films with her, 3 films with her, 4 films with her actually. Dil Tera Aashiq was first film. It did quite moderate. It was not very big success, but quite moderate for her and for me as a producer. And second was Yarana. The music was big hit in Dil Tera Aashiq and Yarana both. That film was released against Yashi film Dilwale Dulhan Le Jayenge, so it was not good release. So, and third was Mohabbat, again did very good business. My best film was Mohabbat. Dil Tera Aashiq, Mohabbat, the best films. Did good business.
And the films that didn't do as well as expected, were you and Madhuri disappointed? I mean, obviously you would be, but the thing is...
I personally feel about myself, and I was never disappointed in my life. मैं दुखी कभी होता नहीं मैं कभी. So same माधुरी को भी मैं कभी दुखी देखा नहीं. I never seen her upset कि she is upset about any film, or she is overjoyed with any film कि बहुत hit हो गया, ऐसा भी नहीं. She never overjoyed also. She is very normal always. She was never upset. मेरा भी but I can be overjoyed, but I cannot be upset. I'm never upset about anything. I just take life in very cool.
And Madhuri used to consider you as a family member. If I'm not
Yeah, she was. Yeah, definitely her family considered me her family member. That's right, because uh, so many years working together, it happens like that. Her sister, brother, they were all close to me.
And about her being a family person, how is she as a family person?
She is a family person basically. She is heroine, though she became by chance actually. She is a family person. She is a family person, and she is proving very well. She is a very good wife. Her husband is so happy. She is very well handling her kids, and I've seen her in very different when she was with her kids. Totally mother oriented, family oriented. She was, and she was always. Film maybe she was working, and it was two separate. Her home life was first preference, and profession was second.
And amongst her films, she's done some landmark films in her career. Which of them do you love and why?
I loved her in Raja. I like Raja very much. The comedy and everything, emotions. Beta mein emotions. I like her dance number, the Pukar. That with that Kesara. And I loved her character in Lajja, directed by Rajkumar Santoshi ji, a great actor. And so many, I liked her simplicity in Hum Aapke Kaun. Every film has a different things. I liked her Mritudand, Dil To Pagal Hai. Then her very nice love story, Sajan, with Salman, Sanjay and Madhuri. It was very nicely done. She had a role of a very again simple girl, college going girl, and how she was caught in the love affair with Salman Khan, but not Salman Khan, Sanjay. So it was played that very Sajan. She was very good. In her, I think I liked her all the films, and I loved her in Devdas. Dil To Pagal Hai, Devdas. I liked her in Krishna Kanhaiya also. So there's no film. I like her. After so many years she worked in Aaja Nachle. She was very good. She was as good as ever. The same energy, same sincerity, same very good looking heroine we had.
So, perhaps shooting for some film, perhaps speaking to some producers, directors, whatever comes to your mind.
She was hearing this script of Devdas. I was there when she was hearing, and Sanjay Leela Bhansali was totally excited to narrate her subject. And when he finished, without reacting anything, she was, "You have tea?" So no, she was. He wanted her to react about the story, and she says, "You have tea? Finish the tea." She was a very simple girl. She never react loudly. She never used to.
And when it comes to her leaving the industry, she got married, she left the industry. What impact did that have on the industry? Because when she came with a bang. And when she left, what impact did it have on the industry?
There was impact, good impact, bad impact.
Whatever, she left the industry.
People was shocked and surprised when she got married, but she didn't get married very privately or secretly. She announced a marriage. Even Devdas was made after director knew that she was going to get married. Devdas was shot after her marriage actually. Whenever the star going to get married, fans feel sad why she's going, and they feel happy also if she getting married and settled in life. It's both ways, no?
And wasn't there a lull in the industry that such a great actress has left the industry for a while?
There was not a lull in the industry because we have already such a good actresses around, so there's no lull in the industry. But it was quite individual because she like I am a fan of somebody and she or he is not working, so I will feel bad I will miss her. That's very individual, but there was no lull in the industry. We have a lot of good actresses and actors working here.
And what What do you think? Like you said that you loved Aja Nasle. What do you think about her comeback, the way she did it, and what's your view on that?
I think it was quite a sincere effort from the maker and director and the artist, everybody. It's always like it's very sincere effort, and it all depends on the audience how they take it, how they react to the movie. There was nothing wrong in the film.
And Madhuri, in the promos of Aja Nasle, we see Madhuri flashing and turning with a smile. Her smile has been talk of the nation for quite some time. What do you think about her smile?
Yeah, smile अभी smile is known smile now. उसके बारे में क्या बोलूँ मैं? Everybody loves her smile.
And about the way she dances.
Yeah, when she dances, she forgets she's Madhuri. She just go into the rhythm and the music and the character. She always go inside, and she's very comfortable in dancing. She's not difficult. She takes very easily. She dances. I remember when she was doing this Kesara Sara with Pukar, she was not well. She had 102, 3 temperature when she was doing the song. She did it. The same energy, same effort, effortless she did the song. And she was at running temperature of 102.
Even after that, she.
Kesara Sara.
That's great.
Yeah.
And apart from this, there are many directors who keep on saying that Madhuri. There are many directors like Inder Kumar who worked with her so much and who still think that her talent hasn't been fully tapped. There's much more.
Yeah, even I also feel that way because when her times they were not that very good cinema was there. It started when she was getting married. Dil To Pagal was good cinema for her. Devdas was good cinema for her. And हम आपके हैं कौन, हम तुम्हारे सनम. But she was getting married. After her married, lot of good films coming out, which she may have got those films, but I think she had not got that character what she has in her.
And in the initial phase of her career, she played it really safe. She did commercial films. What do you think about this? Because after that, like in the latter part of her career, she also did a film like Lajja.
She did Lajja, she did Sangeet with the director K. Vishwanath and Lajja kiya. Then she done Mritudand with Prakash Jha. She done a lot of films that.
What I was asking is, was it a conscious effort to play safe initially in the initial parts of the?
She has never planned. We never planned our future because it's like whatever comes your way, you choose what you feel good. So we did that way. We never planned anything. जो आ रहा रास्ते में आ रहा है चूज किया कौन सा हमको चाहिए pick up that.
And how much role do you think Subhash Ghai had in making Madhuri Dixit the actress she is now?
Yeah, Subhash ji का contribution काफी है because he made 3-4 hit films with her and in every film of Subhash ji she was best in the films. She was working all other directors maybe, but she was best in Subhash ji's film, look wise, costumes, character, complete. He concentrated on her, and she was very good in Ram Lakhan, Khalnayak, and all these films.
And what was the method of working? Was she spontaneous, or did she?
Spontaneous. She was spontaneous.
She never did homework.
She was very spontaneous. If you scene with homework kiya hoga, she comes on the set and directors change the scene. She doesn't bother her.
And I've also heard that
She is very spontaneous.
I also heard that she's still a director's actor.
I feel she has not. Somebody should try in her comedy. She is very good comedian. She has tremendous sense of humor. Nobody has. Little bit Inder Kumar touched that in Raja. That she became fat girl, Teri Behan Ki, Meri Behan Ki. She's done a lot of comedy scenes. She's very good in comedy. Nobody has touched that.
And
anybody comes out with a good comedy character, she will definitely do it.
And she never let anything affect her in terms of films flopping, films being successful.
Sensibility was great in her. Sensibility, she's sensible. She knows how to move, what to talk. A lot of people still has to learn, but it comes with the age also. People are immature, but this girl, she was always very mature in terms of what she has to talk, how to behave, and sensibility was always there in her family because her mother, father trained her so well. They really, all marks goes to her parents.